This is Optimized Tube. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I created these beautiful 3D characters using Midjourney's new setting, Expressive. And today, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way I've found to use this setting. Also, if you stick around until the end, I reveal my secret sauce prompt that guarantees incredible results. But before we jump into it, do me a big favor and smash that like button. And hey, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel because I release videos like this regularly. All right, let's do this. Okay, once you're in Discord and ready to interact with the Midjourney bot, let's bring up the settings by typing /settings. I want to show you something. Notice how when I go from version 5 to version 5.1, an extra button appears labeled Raw Mode. Now, here's a question for you. Why is it that when I transition from Niji 4 to Niji 5, no extra buttons appear? Well, I don't have the answer to that, but I can show you where to find them because, let's face it, no one wants to type those long parameters for each prompt. Am I right? One small mistake, like an extra space, and the whole prompt gets rejected. Instead, I prefer using the buttons and interacting with the Nijijourney bot. Did you even know there was a Nijijourney bot? I'll drop a link in the description, but for more details, check out my video titled New Midjourney Feature, How to Get Started Quick and Easy Tutorial. All right, now we're ready to interact with the Nijijourney bot. Let's bring up the settings by typing /settings. There we go. When we transition from Niji 4 to Niji 5, we're presented with a bunch of style options. We have default, expressive, cute, and scenic. Each one gives us completely different results. Today, we'll be using my personal favorite, the expressive style. And here's a helpful tip I've discovered. There seems to be a glitch, at least during the making of this video, so to avoid any issues, it's best to start by typing /preferred suffix, leaving it blank, and pressing enter. This clears the settings and sets us back to default. Now, make sure you click on the expressive style before selecting the intensity level. If you do it the other way around, you might run into that glitch I warned you about and have to start over by clearing the settings again. It's a bit of a pain in the butt. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the magic formula. Creating these beautiful 3D characters is as simple as 2 words, realistic and 3D render. That's it. So let's say you want to bring Jessica Rabbit to life. Simply type in /imagine Jessica Rabbit, realistic 3D render, and boom. It's that simple. Oh, and here's a little pro tip. If you press the up key on your keyboard, it brings up your last prompt. No more copy and paste. You're welcome. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today on this Midjourney adventure. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.